Welcome to the latest edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. Johnson & Johnson has announced the first head-to-head study comparing IMAAVY, Gefurulimab, with another FcRn blocker, FcRn, for the treatment of generalized myasthenia gravis, or GMG. The EPIC study, which aims to compare the efficacy and safety of both treatments in adults with GMG, could help establish IMAAVY as the preferred FcRn blocker for GMG. If successful, this study could set a new standard for generalized myasthenia gravis treatment and guide clinical decisions in the real-world setting. AstraZeneca has reported positive results from its Phase 3 PREVAIL trial of Gefurulimab for generalized myasthenia gravis. Gefurulimab showed significant improvements in key measures such as myasthenia gravis activities of daily living and quantitative myasthenia gravis scores. These results position Gefurulimab as a promising treatment option for acetylcholine receptor antibodies positive GMG patients, with the added benefit of being a self-administered treatment. The early and sustained benefits observed could make Gefurulimab a game-changer for GMG patients. AstraZeneca also announced that Koselugo has been approved in the European Union for adults with symptomatic, inoperable plexiform neurofibromatosis in neurofibromatosis type 1, or NF1. This approval follows positive Phase 3 trial results, which showed a 20% objective response rate. With this new approval, adults with NF1 now have a treatment option for this rare and challenging condition, addressing an unmet need in this patient population. Wandercraft has gained a second FDA indication extension for Atalante X, a self-balancing exoskeleton designed for individuals with severe mobility loss. The extension allows the device to be used in patients with high-level spinal cord injury and multiple sclerosis. This development could significantly impact rehabilitation, enabling patients with severe mobility impairments to regain upright motion, potentially transforming rehabilitation approaches for these patients. Roche has reported positive Phase 3 results for fenebrutinib in the treatment of relapsing multiple sclerosis, or RMS, and primary progressive multiple sclerosis, or PPMS. The study showed significant efficacy in reducing relapses in RMS and slowing disability progression in PPMS. If approved, fenebrutinib could offer a high-efficacy oral treatment option for both RMS and PPMS patients, marking a major advancement in the MS treatment landscape. In another major development, Johnson & Johnson's CAPLYTA has received FDA approval as adjunctive therapy for major depressive disorder, or MDD, in adults. CAPLYTA demonstrated superior efficacy and a favorable safety profile in pivotal clinical trials. With this approval, CAPLYTA offers a new treatment option for the 2/3 of major depressive disorder patients who continue to experience residual symptoms despite antidepressant therapy. MAAVY has received FDA investigational device exemption approval for the first robotic microsurgical study aimed at treating Alzheimer's disease. The study will focus on restoring lymphatic drainage in the brain using robotic precision. This innovative approach could redefine treatment pathways for neurodegenerative diseases, potentially providing new hope for patients with Alzheimer's and similar conditions in the future. Lastly, Neurocrine Biosciences has provided an update on its Phase 2 study of NBI-1070770 for major depressive disorder, reporting that the study failed to meet its primary endpoint. Despite this setback, the data will be further explored to determine the next steps. While this outcome is disappointing, the findings could offer valuable insights for the development of future MDD treatments. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lq